This is all keys lost on a Dacia Sandero 2014. This is the new key. So we'll put it in and turn the ignition on. So we're using Smart Pro and we're connected to the internet. So vehicle selection, Dacia Sandero 2014. So we'll connect, tokens, switch ignition off. Okay, switch hazards on. Okay, program keys, play. Switch ignition off, it is. Extracting pin code. Pin code BD30D340. BD30D340. Okay. Insert key and switch ignition on. So we're just going to take it back out and put it in. Turn it on. Switch ignition off and remove key. Do you want to add another key? No. Keys program 1, because it's kicked out all the other keys. Okay, procedure complete, drive feedback, no. So we'll disconnect this. I'm just going to put it in. I'm going to start up. And the central lock-in should have gone in automatically.